Hey guys, it's finally here. So, came about a week ago, but I finally had time to open it. So let's take a look at this unboxing. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Right now I use the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I have right here. I'm going to be trading this in because I'm part of the iPhone upgrade program. So we're going to open it up, see how it looks. So I chose to get the regular titanium colored version. We'll just put this aside for now. This year's iPhone is USB-C, so you have a USB-C cable, and then you have all the regular stuff. So let's put the box aside. So here's the phone right here. So just first impressions. I chose the very standard titanium color. It has more of a silver look to it. The first thing I noticed is the feel of the phone actually. So now the edges are nice and rounded. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the edges were very sharp. So, but this time it's nice and rounded. If you take a look at the old one right here. So I actually haven't taken this out of the case ever since I bought it, but just holding both in my hands, you can definitely feel this is much more uncomfortable to hold in the hand because of the sharp edges. You can feel it right away. And then this has a nice soft feel around the edges. The second thing I noticed is the weight right away. This is the 14. It definitely feels more hefty than the 15. I think with the new titanium material, they were able to reduce the weight by quite a bit, which is pretty awesome. You want the best type of tech you can have in your pocket, but the smallest form factor or the lightest. So I'm glad they were able to get that weight down. So we're gonna put the 14 aside for now. Let's just let this boot up. So this video is being shot on the ZV-1 Mark II by Sony. And then I have a cam. That is the ZV, is it in product mode shot? I don't know. No, it's not in product mode shot. So I'll have to change that. But we're being filmed by two cameras right now. So it's pretty nice, guys. They have the new action button right here. Used to be the mute button. We'll see how that goes. I use the mute button quite a bit. But this is interesting. I'm not sure what that is yet. This should be the power falling up and down. This must have been where all the old SIM used to be. I don't know what that is now. USB-C port, which is awesome. Finally glad that they moved over to that. So this is just the first unboxing, guys. I'm also testing out my photo gear. So iPhone 15 Pro Max.